Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, myself Chirag. In this video, I am going to discuss how to configure HTTP services on web server, a step-by-step tutorial. Create one topology with two PCs, one switch and one router and one server. In this video, I am going to configure HTTP services on the server and access through the PC. It is very easy task to start the HTTP services on the server. Before the start HTTP services on the server, assign the IP address to each devices except the switch. Let's start with the router. Click on the router, go to the config, click on the gigabit Ethernet 00 and assign the IP address 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 because it is class A IP address and port status must be on. Same way, assign the IP address to the gigabit Ethernet 01. The IP address is 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 because it is class C IP address and port status must be on. So now IP addresses have been assigned to both the port of the router. Next task is assign the IP address to the PC1. So click on the PC1, go to the desktop, click on the IP config and the IP address is 10.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 because it is class A IP address and the default gateway is the router IP address 10.0.0.1. So same way, assign the IP address to the server, click on the server, go to the desktop, click on the IP config and assign the IP address. It is 192.168.1.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 because it is class C IP address and the default gateway is the router IP address 192.168.1.1. So now IP addresses have been assigned to all the devices. So next task is how to start the HTTP services on the server. So click on the server, go to the services and click on the HTTP. Now you can see here HTTP and HTTP services are off. So first of all, on both the services, HTTP service is on and same way the HTTPS services is on. So now you can check here, this is our file manager like the web server. So here there are different HTML files are available. So whenever you access any website on the internet, at that time index.html is the default HTML file from that website. For example, you want to add your HTML file. So first of all, create the HTML file using the new file. Now you can give the file name. Now I can give it is chirag.html and you can write your code like HTML h1 is the my head tag. Welcome to Cisco and the tag is over h1 and same way HTML code tag is over. Now you can save this file. So this file is saved and click on HTTP. Now you can see this is my new file chirag.html. It is already added on the file manager. So as I say index.html which is the default HTML file on the file manager. So I want to edit this file and I want to give simple one header 1 tag h1 and my message is welcome to Chirag blog and the header tag is over. So I will save this file. Yes. Now go to the HTTP services. So my index.html file is modified. So my task related to HTTP services is over. So let's check that how can I access this HTML file from that PC1. So first of all, click on the PC1, go to the desktop, click on the web server, wait for a while. Now you can check. Now you can enter your URL here. It is 192.168.1.2 and enter. So now you can check. You can access the default HTML file which is the index.html and that my modified code is welcome to Chirag blog. Same way I want to access that chirag.html file from the server. So URL is same and just add /chirag.html and enter. So now you can check the welcome to Cisco is the content of chirag.html file which is displayed here. So now I can say my HTTP services are working properly. But there is one question in my mind. How can I access the website using their name like google.com and yahoo.com? So my answer is that if you want to access website using their name, so first of all you have to configure the DNS server and add website name in the DNS record and also add the IP address. Then you can access the website through their name. So if you want to learn how to configure DNS server, then click on the above I button. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with others. Thank you for watching this video.